Hello guys, I hope you're doing great today. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the first workshop for 7th grade. This is a research project. And the class objectives, the first one is the students understand the concept of investigation and uses it properly. And the other one is the student focus into a specific topic and field in order to decide her research project. El estudiante se enfoca en un tema en específico o en un campo en específico a fin de decidir su problema de investigación. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to find a topic that is very interesting, a topic that is controversial or problematic. Why? Because it would be more interesting for other people to read, and you will have more information to research about. Es importante escoger un tema que sea problemático, un tema que sea de pronto controversial, con el fin de que sea interesante y de tener también información para investigar. Okay, so, and the activities. Activity number 1, you need to answer the following questions. Which problematic would you like to investigate? Responde las siguientes preguntas. ¿Cuál problemática te gustaría investigar? Which population is affected by the situation? ¿Cuál población es afectada por la situación? Who is the person that manages this investigation? ¿Quién es la persona que maneja esta investigación? How long the investigation will be? ¿Qué tan larga será la investigación aproximadamente? Which strategies would you use to gather information about the topic? ¿Cuáles estrategias usarás para recolectar la información acerca del tema? Okay, so you need to answer those questions. And in the second activity, you need to write 4 interesting problematic questions. Escribir 4 preguntas problemáticas interesantes. Okay. And in the third activity, you need to write the introduction of your topic with a catching question for the reader and include 4 questions from the point number 2. Watch the video in the resources section for reference. Okay, here are the resources, are the links, and the information that you will need to develop your introduction. Okay, so let me share with you how to write the introduction. Hold on, give me just a moment. All right, here we have the introduction. What is an introduction? An introduction tells readers what the paper is about. La introducción le cuenta al lector de qué se tratará el escrito. Que se hace como una breve introducción, valga la redundancia, en la cual te dice de qué se va a tratar el escrito. Okay, so here there is an introduction. We need to start with a catchy question. Tenemos que empezar con una pregunta llamativa. Okay, so in this case, did you know that bats live in almost every part of the world? ¿Sabías que los murciélagos viven en casi todas las partes del mundo? So you can start using did you know and then something else related to your topic. Puedes comenzar usando did you know that? ¿Sabías que? Y luego continuar con tu tema. And here you will need to write also, read this paper and you will find out. Lee este escrito y encontrarás. And the 4 problematic questions here. Just mention the questions. Do not answer the questions, just mention them in the introduction. That's it, okay? Coloca las 4 preguntas problemáticas en la introducción, solo menciónalas, no las contestes. Okay? And here I'm gonna share with you some more information that you might need to write your essay, okay? So, why you need a good introduction? First impressions are important. Las primeras impresiones son importantes. Think about how many times you start reading an article and don't read more than a line or 2 because you lose interest just that fast. Piensa cuántas veces empiezas a leer un artículo y no lees más de una línea o 2 porque pierdes interés así de rápido. ¿Ok? Entonces, por eso es importante hacer una buena introducción con una pregunta llamativa y que el tema sea interesante y problemático. Que tenga de qué hablar, de qué discutir. ¿Ok? Readers are going to approach your paper in the same way. If they aren't interested in the first few lines, they'll stop reading. Of course, your professor will keep reading even if she's not very interested. But that's not the reaction you're hoping for, right? So without a good introduction, your paper will fall flat. Without a good introduction, your paper will fall flat. ¿Sí? Sin una buena introducción, tu papel, tu escrito, será así como plano, aburrido. All right? So let me go back to the workshop. Okay, so that's basically all you have to do in this workshop number 1. Please check workshop number 2 to continue. Thank you very much.